Hello. Am I on, Bob? Am I on? Alright, thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Brandon Payne. We're coming live from Parker 309, representing that North Carolina till the day that we die. Let's get on a serious subject. The serious subject is Hurricane Katrina. You may see it in the news, and you're seeing it right now on this news station, but we're going to take this time to see a slideshow at some of the stuff that's going on currently right now. I'd like you to sit back, relax, chill with your wifey, your girlfriend, your man, whatever you're doing. Just sit back, enjoy, and just think about it. Thank you. Good night.
I say goodbye to what we had. The good times that made us laugh outweigh them bad. I thought we'd get to see forever, but forever's gone away. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. I don't know where this room is going to lead. All I know